How to delete Sainsburys Grocery Account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk through the steps on how you can delete your Sainsburys Grocery Account. So in order to delete your account, first of all, you'll need to make sure that you have already logged in or that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, you just need to go ahead and log in into your account. Now unfortunately, there's no such direct way of deleting your Sainsbury grocery account. So for that, you have to contact a customer service or you'll have to fill in a request. So if you want to fill in a request, then you have to open up a new tab. And then on the web address bar, you need to go ahead and type in. Here you'll be able to find the file or the form where you can actually provide in the information. So just go ahead and enter in the full name of your Sainsbury grocery account. After that, you need to go ahead and enter in the regulation and then additional information. If you want to skip this part, then you can simply leave it blank and then just go ahead and confirm all of these and click on review and send, and the request will be sent and they'll look into your matter within 24 to 48 hours. And however, if you're unable to do this procedure or cope up with the following step that I mentioned earlier, then what you can do is you can directly contact the support team by going on the help center. And here you can just go ahead and on my account, and that's going to provide you with the information or the top relating what can actually do it. So over here you need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find an option as all about my account, first of all, which is right in center, and that's going to take you to the other field where you can actually go ahead, say the reason, and then you can delete your account. So that's basically how you can delete your Send account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.